Curtis, CEO of Petroners and host of the Petroners podcast. This is your quick market update, 2-minute market update. It is Wednesday, February 15, 2023. We saw oil prices come down a smidge today. We're hanging at 78.80 right now for WTI, 85.55 for Brent. Absolutely still seeing natural gas get smashed. We're under 250 for Henry Hub. But oil prices have come down a little bit because we had a pretty hot inflation read yesterday. It had come down 0.1% from the month prior, but it was higher than expected. And the problem is that the core pieces of inflation, services, and housing, shelter, are still up. Both of them are straight up. We have not seen them decline at all in the entire period that we were looking at. So inflation for shelter is at 7.9%. Services is up 7.2%. This is the really hard, sticky stuff that the Fed has to deal with. So that is weighing on oil prices because we're now baking, the market's now baking in higher than expected higher interest rates. That is bullish for the dollar. That's negative for oil prices. And we saw a crude inventory build a little more than expected this week on the crude side. And then we just have a unique set of geopolitical tensions. So I think for the market update, for things I would like folks to pay attention to right now is the recession risk and not really appreciating what recession is, soft landing, hard landing. It's lagged. Everything is absolutely lagged. I talk about this extensively within my State of Reality podcast that is dropping next week on part 2. Part 1 is going to drop this week. It is absolutely awesome, folks. Really hope you guys take a listen. It is the talk that I gave at the Denver Petroleum Club at Oventif's office last week on February 9th. It is fantastic. It is everything you want to know about U.S. shale, everything from the Biden's talk on the State of the Union. It's pretty funny. It's fun. But so inflation, recession, we are seeing incredible tensions with China. So this balloon saga, which I will be talking about more in future podcasts, is very serious, has pretty serious geopolitical and military ramifications. But if you just think about that, ongoing war in Russia, military rifts or tensions with China, continuously high inflation, high interest rates, and high oil prices all coupled together, you have a very unique storm that we haven't seen in a long time, or probably ever. So with that, folks, hope you guys take a listen to the latest podcast. Talk soon. Bye.